You're trying to learn a bit of AI, some cloud, a little cybersecurity, and data analytics all at once. It feels like standing still while the entire industry accelerates in 20 different directions. This comparison table shows the exact boundary we've crossed. In 2024, companies funded emerging tech, pilots, hype, and experimentation. In 2026, those same companies only fund scale, measurable business value, and tight budgets. The money has moved. Enterprise budgets are no longer paying you to figure things out. They are paying you to ship faster, reduce costs, and manage risk. This exposes the biggest mistake you can make right now: tool sprawl, spreading your time across a shallow understanding of every trending category without proving you can build a single thing. If your resume lists beginner tutorials in 5 different disciplines but lacks a working project, you will not get the job offer. You are now competing against highly trained specialists. The complexity of these systems has reached a point where depth is your only remaining leverage. To prove you are a safe hire, you must pick one track, master its core fundamentals, and commit to one high-fidelity proof project that solves a real business problem. This quadrant chart maps the 4 master tracks of 2026: building AI and software, protecting systems in cybersecurity, operating infrastructure in the cloud, or making decisions with data. Surviving this job market means dropping the illusion that being a generalist keeps you safe. You have to accept the specific risk of specialization. Let's start with the AI builder track. Enterprise demand is shifting toward agentic AI, autonomous systems that take a goal, call external tools, and execute the multi-step workflows that actually keep a business running. To succeed here, you need to write Python, integrate APIs, design retrieval-augmented generation chunking strategies, and build reliable workflow guardrails. Prompt engineering as a standalone career is dead. The standard is now engineering agentic workflows. This flowchart illustrates AI governance. Enterprises won't adopt AI without strict data boundaries, audit logs, and answers for hallucinations. These controls slow development speed, but this friction is the exact mechanism that earns enterprise trust and gets code into production. The AI track is for builders willing to take on the heavy lifting of making autonomous systems reliable enough to pass an enterprise audit. If you choose the cybersecurity track, you face a rapidly escalating threat landscape. Attackers are weaponizing AI to scale social engineering and generate highly believable voice and video deepfakes. Defending against this requires mastering identity and access management, securing cloud posture configurations, and automating continuous security validation. The objective is shifting the organization from reactive prevention to proactive resilience, optimizing for rapid detection and recovery when an incident inevitably happens. This network diagram illustrates a zero-trust architecture. You have to operate under the assumption that your network is already breached, meaning trust is explicitly denied by default for every internal connection. The trade-off here is your quality of life. This means operating in a constant state of high stress, writing rigorous incident response playbooks, and navigating unpredictable on-call environments. Choose cyber if you are a protector who thrives in high-stakes adversarial environments. Next is the cloud operator track. Your mandate is reigning in the chaos of legacy cloud migrations and building standardized internal developer platforms. You will spend your time building CI/CD pipelines, writing infrastructure as code, and managing complex hybrid networking environments. By doing this, you become the structural backbone that eliminates operational bottlenecks and speeds up delivery for the entire engineering team. This FinOps governance loop illustrates your core complexity. Cloud bills have become boardroom issues, and operators are expected to establish continuous cost governance to stop the bleeding. This track is entirely unglamorous. You will spend your days enforcing standardization and cleaning up other people's inefficient architectures. The cloud platform track is for operators who find deep satisfaction in financial governance, cost reduction, and engineering systemic reliability. Finally, the data decider track. Organizations are hitting a wall with dashboard fatigue. They need fast, consistent insights that trigger immediate actions, rather than more debating over conflicting definitions. You will need a strong command of advanced SQL, semantic layers to standardize definitions, and strict observability rules to monitor data quality. This chart highlights the shift to decision intelligence, Analytics must now automatically trigger business workflows the moment a key metric crosses a threshold, rather than sitting passively on a report. The trade-off is strict accountability. You are fully responsible for the integrity of the data pipelines, and you must treat your data with the exact same rigor as production software. This also forces you to manage heavy cross-departmental stakeholder alignment just to get everyone to agree on basic KPI definitions. The data track is for those who want to drive business strategy by transforming raw numbers into automated, governed actions. This completed matrix maps your 4 persona options by natural temperament: builder, protector, operator, or decider. To build systems, choose AI. To govern chaos, choose cloud. To manage risk, choose cyber. To drive strategy, choose data. To succeed, you have to embrace the fear of missing out. You must aggressively ignore the headlines and the tool sprawl of the 3 tracks you did not choose. Once you pick your track, you lock into this roadmap: the 90-day proof project sprint. In month 1, days 1 through 30, ignore the advanced tools. Master your track's core fundamentals. Month 2 is the core build. Execute the primary function of your project, whether that's deploying a RAG assistant or building a governed dashboard. Month 3 is where you prove your employable value. You add governance, you secure the endpoints, build the observability metrics, or implement the cost controls. Stop dabbling in 20 different trends. Pick your quadrant, build your one proof project, and prove your targeted value to employees.